While most of the world sleeps, you rise. Not for applause, but because someone must hold the night together. You are the steady hands behind hospital doors, the early light for tired streets, the driver who keeps the country connected. Your work is quiet, but its impact is loud. It keeps hospitals open, ovens warm, deliveries arriving, and families breathing easier. Few notice, fewer still understand, yet every dawn carries your invisible labor. Commitment shows up when the lights are dim and the world is still. It is not the flash of recognition, it is the quiet decision to remain when others leave. You fight fatigue, you push past silence, you trade your sleep for someone else's safety. That is resilience, that is duty, that is the work that makes morning possible. And when the sky begins to color and life returns to the streets, know this: every family fed, every patient checked, every road kept open. It happened because you stayed. To the night workers, the unseen guardians of our days, the world runs because you sacrifice. This is your anthem. Like and subscribe.